Wished I had a big old radio. 018 Tennessee Beavis with each time wave.
Hey, 153 slow motion, say why you not talking to your radio. 153 slow motion, say talk to your radio. 153 slow motion, back out.
Hey, slow motion. Hey, slow motion. 018 Tennessee Beavis with a wave.
Montreal, 018, you sounding real good in the Bayou country. 018 slow motion, read your mail.
Right there, slow motion. I'm pointing up north. I'm talking to you off the back of the beam, man. Slow motion, talking to you off the back of the beam. Good evening time. 018 Beavis with a wave. All right, slow motion. Appreciate you hollering, man. You have a good one, and I hope you have a good 2019 New Year from your friend Nj 018 Beavis on a broken down donkey stomper with the wave. 434. Hello up there, 434, 018 Beavis, Tennessee with the wave. I heard tell 3332 slow motion cut his lips off. Tell 332 slow motion cut his lips off. 434 got somebody playing music, man, but I think I heard you. Sounding good, 434. Your friend 10 018 Beavis with the wave. I'm glad somebody likes to play music and try to mess the skip up. Somebody out there trying to play music trying to mess the skip up. 018 Tennessee Beavis on this old broken down donkey stomper with the wave. Jazz. Hey, JazzMan. Hey, JazzMan, 018 Tennessee Beavis, waving at you, man. Got the video gate rolling.
In the Big Apple, hold it on. Big Apple.
Hey, number one, sounded good in Tennessee, 018 waving.
21, just search for 3 video games. You gotta see it there. Wait. Slow motion, say talk to your radio. Yeah, hello to you. I just started it. There ain't a whole lot of videos on there right now, but I'm pretty sure I put yours on there. I had to go back and look. But that's where it's at there.
corner down there at 338. Hey, 338 018 Tennessee Beavis waving at you down there in Texas, man. Hello, 338. Hello, 338. Your friend in 10018 with the wave.
Let's go. Sounding good in my hood. Take care. 21, your 338. Working at 6 Element LFA. I'll see you. Bye, bye, bye.
338. Hey, 338. What's going on, man? 018 Tennessee Beavis waving at you, man.
34. What's up, Beavis? I got you in there too, man. Evening time way, Mr. Beavis, your 338. Houston, Texas. 410.
Roger on Houston, Texas. Yeah, I got you on a video gate too, 338. Man, you're sounding good up here in Tennessee this evening. It's rough and tough out there, but I just want to wave a hand at you, man. Your friend 10018 Beavis with the wave.
Alright, 018, Mr. Beavis. Yeah, I'm just cruising my little timer today. I've got an issue with a breaker I gotta get resolved. And then I'll get my big box going again. But for now, this low watt station down here in the zone is reading your mail.
Don't sound like no low watt station. 338, you're gonna like this video gate. You don't sound like no low watt station. You're taking over everything in Tennessee, man. 018 Beavis with the evening time wave. I'm standing by reading the mail.
Beavis, take care, man. Bump on you more later. I'll see you. Bye, 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 bye.
Bye, 338. Bye, 338. 018 Beavis in 10 reading the mail. Hey, slow motion, I got you, man. Hey, slow motion, I got the beam pointed your way now, man. What's going on, slow motion? 018 waving.
Hey, 018, I've been trying to get in your radio. You was talking to my friend. I'm still here.
Roger, slow motion. Well, you're sounding good, man. I got you on this gate once already. First time I talked to you, my beam was pointing north. Sounding good in Tennessee. Slow motion. 018 Beavis with the wave. Well, we got somebody up here in Tennessee who wants to play music. Somebody up here in Tennessee wants to play music. That's all they've been wanting to do this whole gate. So I'm going to get back off here, get out of the way, let them have it. Good evening time to everybody out there in DX land. Hope you have a good one. 018 Tennessee Beavis with a friendly wave. Your friend in 10s. Back quiet. Bye, bye, bye.
Anybody cover me up there, son?